2024. Dear Lord, you have created me like the way I am now. You have seen my struggles in wanting more time for myself. But whenever the opportunity to have time for myself, I would feel guilty for having time for myself. It feels that there are so much things to do in the world than sit down, pause and ponder with what I am feeling. Physically, lumbar pain, and emotionally anxious thoughts. I'm thinking that because I am your favorite, I should know better than let the cares of this world bother me. I have all access to you, so why am I in doubt and in pain? Why do I feel so unloved and uncared for when I know that you are constant and consistent in your love and care for me? Would I really survive with just your love? I should, right? Regardless of how busy my husband is to notice my pain or how young my children are to understand that mommy needs time for herself. Life has been good, Lord. I'm exactly where I prayed for. But why do I feel guilty for taking care of myself?